I am 7 Blah, and this is the Screaming Strangers project. I like to start things off by doing a filter called Retouch for Me. I'll do the heal, dodge and burn, and then portrait volumes. I've made an action for that. Now let's flip this hair onto the other side. I am 7 Blah. This is the Screaming Strangers project. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and watch the playlist for the rest of them. There's going to be a lot.